All right, love, before we dive in, do me a favor. Take a second and smile, yeah? Because even if your metabolism's been acting like a moody teenager lately, you are still a total gem. Plus, that's one less frown in the world. Now let's figure this out together. Have you been eating better, moving your body, cutting back on the snacks, and still feel like your body just isn't responding? Like your metabolism hit the snooze button and never woke up? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. Your metabolism is the system your body uses to turn food into energy. It's not just about calories. It's about how well your body functions. But here's the kicker. Your metabolism doesn't just slow down with age. It slows down when your body feels unsafe. Life stress, sleep deprivation, overtraining, undereating, high cortisol, poor gut health, all of that tells your body, we're not okay, save energy, store fat, stay in survival mode. It's not broken, it's just confused. It's doing exactly what it thinks it needs to do, to protect you. Here's what that might look like. You're always tired, even after rest. Weight gain around your middle. Cravings and blood sugar crashes. Cold hands and feet. Mood swings or foggy thinking. Can't lose weight no matter what you try. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're just burned out. Let's wake that metabolism back up, yeah? 1, eat more. Yes, really eat more. Undereating for too long tells your body to slow down. Nourish it with balanced meals, protein, healthy fats, fiber-rich carbs. Don't fear food. 2, prioritize sleep. This is where your hormones reset. Aim for 7 to 9 hours, every night. No badge of honor for burnout here, love. 3, gentle movement over punishment workouts. Ditch the go hard or go home mindset. Try walking, yoga, or strength training with rest days. Less cortisol equals more metabolic health. 4, support your thyroid and hormones. Sea salt, selenium-rich foods, magnesium. Little tweaks, big difference. 5, stress less, smile more. Laughter and calm are metabolic medicine. You can't hate your body into healing. Let's try kindness instead. You're not broken. You're not weak. Your metabolism is just waiting for a signal that it's safe to work again. So let's send it that signal. One gentle choice at a time. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever felt stuck in your body no matter what you did? Let's build each other up in that comment section. I'm your wellness sidekick, and I'll be here every step of the way. So don't forget to smile, be kind to your body, and take one little step today that your future self will thank you for. You've got this, my darlings.